In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple landing pages in Shopify. The core idea is simple. In Shopify, you can create different page templates. Each template can have its own layout, sections, and content. Once you have more than one template, you can assign the right template to each landing page you create. This is how you can build multiple landing pages without having to redesign everything from scratch each time. To begin, go to your Shopify admin and open Online Store. From there, go into Themes and then select Customize. This opens the theme editor, which is where you will create and manage templates for your pages. Now look near the top of the theme editor. There is a drop-down menu that controls what you are currently editing. Open that drop-down and choose Pages, then select Create Template. This tells Shopify you want a brand new page template, separate from the default one. Next, you will name your new template. Use a clear name that helps you recognize it later, especially if you plan to make several landing pages for different campaigns or seasons. For example, you might name it something like Summer Landing. Keep the name short, descriptive, and easy to understand at a glance. After naming it, you will choose what to base it on. Select Default Page as the starting point. This is important because it copies the standard page structure your theme already uses. Starting from the default page helps you avoid layout issues, and it gives you a reliable foundation you can customize later to match your landing page goal. Once you confirm, Shopify creates the new template and loads it into the editor. From here, you are set up to design a unique landing page experience using this template whenever you need it. A quick tip is to use naming that stays consistent across campaigns, so you can find the correct template quickly in the dropdown the next time you are working in the theme editor. And that is all there is to it.